Welcome to Mathenatic. In this video, we'll discuss the properties of the present value annuity or the loan formula for grade 12 mathematics. The first thing that I want you to know is that the P formula can be found on your formula sheet during examinations. Now, P represents the present value annuity. Do not confuse it with the P from compound interest or simple interest. That P represents the original investment, but P here represents the value of a loan, a mortgage, or money that we have borrowed. X represents regular payments. It does not have to be monthly payments. It can also be quarterly, semi-annually, weekly, or daily. And N represents the number of payments. N is not the number of years. So as I explained with the future value annuity, N can be calculated, for example, by saying we had take out a loan over 5 years and we pay back monthly, so that is 60 payments. So N is the total amount of payments that you would make. I is the interest rate as a decimal, and again, as I explained in the previous video, if I say the interest rate is 15% compounded quarterly, then you would say I is 15% divided by 4. Another way to say that is 0.15 divided by 4. And you'd notice there are two places in which we can substitute I into this formula. And then the important thing that I think a lot of students miss in the exams is that we raise n to the power of negative n. And the reason why it's negative is because we're working towards a present value. So we're making some sort of loan at time 0, and we're doing repayments on a regular basis, and we take the n backwards because we want to figure out the value of the loan at the start. So when n is negative in financial mathematics, it means we're moving back towards the start or some point of reference in the past. In the following videos, we will do some examples based on the future value annuity and the present value annuity. Thank you for watching. Support us by liking and subscribing to Mathenatic. Check out our Digistore for math study notes, with free downloads for statistics and financial math. Follow the link in the video description.